All right, John boy, we're gonna have a challenge here, right?
All right.
We're gonna have a bonita challenge first, and we're gonna move from bonita to either bull sharks, then maybe Goliath grouper. We're gonna see. You ready? Come on.
Okay.
Let's go golden horseshoe.
Do it. Let's go.
The UltraSkiff boat derby. See who hooks up first.
Oh, he ate it! I'm done. Oh, shark's right there.
Woo! You ready? UltraSkiff style.
All right, let's do it. We're dropping.
Whew.
I'm feeling a little nervous. I'm not sure.
I got one looking.
You got one looking?
Yep.
All right. Oh, got a hit.
Oh, you got him? Ah!
He's on.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he's off.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there he is. Oh, he just came and ate it. He ate it again.
Oh, boy. I got one, too. Ah! Ah! Go! Oh, we let go.
Oh, look at John. Oh my God.
Here we go.
Help me, dude. Man, I'm taking off. I'm going.
Hey, bye-bye, John. See you later, buddy.
Oh my God. I'm going up. I still got it. I got it back. Woo! Oh my gosh! No! Holy cow! Ah! Help! Oh my God! Holy cow!
Oh my God, it's a massive shark. I just saw him. Holy crap. Oh my God. Dude, he's freaking huge. I'm gonna do a circle. I'm gonna do a circle. I'm gonna go up to the front of him. I got the film net from up here.
I can see it from here.
Oh, he's huge. Oh, look at that.
Oh, my goodness.
Come on up.
There we go, shaking it. Here she comes. Come on, sweetie. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's a big shark. Oh. Yeah, she's gone.
Black. I got good news and bad news for you. What's that? Well, once you land this fish, we have the third part of our challenge to do.
Oh, wow.
That's the giant Goliath grouper. Grouper boat derby today.
Now, how big was the bull you had there, man?
350, 400.
Woo! That's a beast.
Yeah, he's a nice one.
Oh, listen to that. That's nice.
I brought it up, hung over the side, kissed it on the nose,
Did
let
you?
it go.
Alright.
You got some color now?
Get your butt up here.
That's what I'm talking about.
There you go.
There you go, pull them up.
Oh man.
Don't lean back, pull them up.
Some color somewhere?
I got color right below you.
Oh, it again.
I'd say about 25 feet down.
25.
Yep.
Okay.
Only 25 feet, John.
I can do it.
There you go.
If I can get up. Captain Ben, you want to help with the assist?
All right, Captain John Black, we're even up on the big bull shark challenge now.
that
1 to
was-
1. I'll take a
pretty
tie.
We take
Beautiful.
a tie on this one. Look at the size of this big old bull shark right here. UltraSkiff handled it great. We took off about 5 miles an hour at one time. Look at the size of that shark right there.
And you were able to stay in the boat. Didn't
Stayed in
flip.
the boat. What's up, buddy?
We got one more challenge.
One more challenge.
One more challenge.
Wow.
Yep, got one more challenge.
All right, so we did the bonita.
So we did the bonita, we did the bull sharks, and now we're going after the Goliath grouper.
Wow.
And we're about 2 miles from the original
I can't even
start
see the
spot.
boat. I don't even know where
I
we're
know,
at.
we're a long ways away.
Wow.
So we'll get this guy here. He's all fired up, feisty. We'll get it back in the water and we will go get him. I won the bonita challenge. We're tied on the shark challenge.
Yeah,
I'll take
you
a
beat-
tie. I'm okay with a tie.
Yeah, you beat me up on the bonita.
And now we're going for the Goliath grouper.
But guess what? Somebody decided to give me a giant bonita. I don't know who that was, but I got a big bonita.
That's your team. They love you. So we're going to do a little bit more bumper boats. And this time, we're going after the heavy ones this week, straight for the wreck. It's going to be hard. Not that the last wasn't hard. This is a different kind of hard. This is a flip you over amongst all the sharks hard.
Oh, man.
You ready?
I guess we're ready as I ever be, man.
Okay, here it comes. Scoot up just a little bit. Start my drift. I wouldn't drop it there. That's another bull shark territory.
No, we get out of there then. I'm trolling.
I say right here. It's gonna be pretty good. Right there. I'm coming up the side. You ready? All right, drop it. You gotta go backwards towards it so it gets down in the water column. I got one looking at it right now. He's about to eat it. He just ate it. Woo, man. Come on, baby. Come on now. Come on. Don't fall in the water though. Come on now. Don't you go anywhere. Don't you go anywhere.
Felt another hit?
John's got a monster on now. Big old monster Goliath on an UltraSkiff.
Jesus.
I'm coming to you!
towed out to the ocean now. Ben's got a monster Goliath on.
Oh, we're going fast. Oh my word.
Hey, oh my God. You got Goliath, John? Yep. 2 Goliaths on. Oh, wow. Oh my God, John. That feels a lot better, don't it? I'll see y'all later.
Come on, baby. I'm chewing this action. Get this beast up. Come on, UltraSkiff, do your thing. No! Oh, my word. Oh, no. It's giving me the Jimmy leg. He's coming up, come on. Come on now. Oh, boat wake. Here he comes. I see some color.
Look at the size of that one.
There he is. It's coming up.
Right.
Look at that one. Woo!
Very nice.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Big old Goliath. Very nice.
Right here. Woo! Come on, big fish. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a beast. Oh. Come on. Come on now. Oh my goodness. Yeah! Woo! Look at that, my man! Woo!
Great job.
Yeah! Hey, make sure you guys check out the Salt Life channel and be sure to subscribe, leave a thumbs up. At you on this on YouTube. Also, we do this stuff on Snapchat. And I hope you guys are enjoying this. All right, this is officially my biggest fish ever out of an UltraSkiff. 500-pound Goliath grouper. Amazing. Fought me like nobody's business. Oh, there she goes.